Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the device and OS so you know the correct removal path. Once done, back up any photos or projects. Deletion removes app data. Next, force close Photo Gemini. On Android, swipe it away in Recents or force stop in Settings. On iPhone, swipe the app preview up. Doing this reduces errors during uninstall and makes sure no file locks or uploads interrupt the removal process. You now remove the app itself and its remaining data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Photo Gemini, clear data to erase local files, then tap Uninstall. This ensures caches are gone. On iPhone, long press the icon, choose Remove App, then Delete App to remove both app and local storage. Once uninstalled, sign into any connected cloud or account providers and revoke Photo Gemini access so synced copies stop reappearing. You finish by restarting the device to clear temporary locks and finalize the uninstall. After reboot, inspect storage and cloud folders for leftover caches or duplicates and delete them manually. This prevents unexpected restorations. If the uninstall fails, make sure the OS is updated and there is adequate free storage. Then try again or boot into safe mode on Android to remove stubborn apps. If problems persist, contact device support with error details so you can complete the removal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.